Hi, my name is Kasia. I'm a communication wizard at TechSoup Europe. In this episode, we'll learn how to download your designs in different formats.
Okay, our design is ready. And what next? Please give a proper name so later you can find it in your folders. And also when you download it, to publish it or to print it, you also have this nice order. The magic button is on the right here in the up menu, so you can just click download and choose a file type. This design was animated, so CANVA suggests us already to download it as MP4 video, high quality video. And if you want some eye-catching content for Facebook, for example, I recommend to choose this one, not GIF, because it won't play automatically on Facebook. Videos works better there. If you are planning to use this design, for example, on your blog, I recommend to choose JPG, small file size image, because with this one your website will work faster. PNG is high quality image, so if you want to make a standout design on your Instagram, I recommend this one. If you are going to work later on this design with graphic designers and you need this design in sharp vector graphics, there is also such possibility in CANVA for non-profits. I created the same design, I resized it and created a poster. So let's change the name. Now poster, because I'm planning to print it in a print house and put it somewhere in my city. So there is also such a possibility. You can choose small file size PDF or print one, which is high quality and it really looks great after printing. So these are possibilities how to download the file to your computer. But if you connect your CANVA with external applications, with external clouds like G Drive or Dropbox, when you click on three dots on the right, you can save it also there. We have connected our Google Drive, so I clicked here, click here, I choose the right folder, which is communication. Let's put it to the webinars, for example. Choose a file style. This one should be PDF. Clicking save. CANVA is preparing the design, and I'm going to my drive now. Let's check if it's here. Yeah, Act Now poster, ready to use and share with my team or the printing house. This is just amazing. And just to show you, these all designs are here in my recent designs, or all designs of my team, so I can always come back and work on it later.
If you liked this tutorial, follow TechSoup Europe channels for more educational content. We at TechSoup make activists and non-profits' job easier by providing access to technology, resources and community.